Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Christine, and in today's video I'm taking you to most iconic landmarks in London, and I'm gonna start with the Tower Bridge. So let's go. So in this video I'll be doing a voiceover in most parts of the video. So let's begin. Tower Bridge is one of the most famous landmarks within central London and also in general in the United Kingdom. It was built in the late 1800s, and the bridge is not only beautiful as you can see, but actually it lifts up to let the tall ships pass along the River Thames. And as you can see, the view is heavenly. Oh my god, it's so nice as you can see. So enjoy the beautiful sight. You can as well pay and explore inside the Tower Bridge, but today we are not going inside, so let's just explore outside and see the great views. As you can see, right in front of the palace, we have the beautiful Victoria Memorial. Right outside the gate of the palace, we have a beautiful park, which is St. James Park. You can just relax here. It's a cool environment. I'm on the bus right now, going to another beautiful spot, so keep watching. This is the heart of the city. It's known as the Piccadilly Circus. It's the London's Times Square. It's known for its giant screens, the red beautiful buses, and the busy atmosphere, making it one of the most iconic spots in the city. Now we are heading to the Chinatown. It's just a short walk from the Piccadilly. It's filled with the delicious Chinese food, colorful decorations, the lanterns, and also the cultural gems. It's a perfect place to end your London stroll with some amazing eats. So let's check it out and grab something to eat. This is the restaurant that I'm going to have some food. It's called Mr. Wu Hot Buffet. They offer buffet and both eat in and also takeaways. Eating is £9 and some cents, and also takeaway is £5. I'm going with that, and they give you a container to serve your food. Yeah, then you can just sit outside, and for eat in you sit inside, and you can have as many plates as you want for the food, as long as it takes you 1 hour. Yeah, so that's a nice deal. And that's it for today's adventure. This is part 1 of different attractions in central London. I'll be doing part 2 of other more attractive places. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment on your favorite spots.